A CNC machine does not decide anything on its own. Every movement it makes is written before the machine even starts. That written instruction is called CNC programming. CNC programming is the process of creating digital instructions that tell a CNC machine how to move, which tools to use, where to cut, and how fast each operation should run. Instead of controlling the machine manually, the operator prepares a sequence of commands that guide the machine step by step from raw material to finished part. These instructions are written using a standardized language based on G code and M code. This coding system allows the machine to understand positioning coordinates, spindle speed, feed rate, tool selection, and machining order. Once the program is loaded into the controller, the machine follows the instructions exactly as written. The idea behind CNC programming did not begin with modern computers. Early numerical control systems used punch cards to store motion instructions. Today, the same concept continues in digital form, but with far higher accuracy and flexibility. Modern CNC machines interpret program code instantly and execute complex machining operations with repeatable precision. Through CNC programming, the operator defines how the machine transforms raw material into a finished component. Tool paths determine how cutters move across the surface. Coordinate values define position, and machining parameters control stability and surface quality. Without programming, even the most advanced CNC machine cannot produce a part. This is why CNC programming is considered one of the most important skills in modern machining. It connects design information directly to machine motion and ensures that every operation follows the intended geometry. A strong foundation in machining helps make CNC programming easier to understand. Manual machining teaches how tools behave, how materials respond during cutting, and how positioning affects accuracy. When programmers understand these physical processes, they can write programs that reduce waste, improve surface finish, and avoid unnecessary tool wear. Although manual machining experience is helpful, it is not required to begin learning CNC programming. Many programmers start directly with digital tool paths and controller logic, then build practical understanding through experience on the shop floor. Over time, this combination of programming knowledge and machining awareness leads to better decision-making and more efficient production strategies. CNC programming is not only about writing code, it is about controlling motion, predicting cutting behavior, and translating engineering drawings into real parts with consistent accuracy. The better the program structure, the more reliable the machining result becomes. If you're not following now, you may not find this explanation again.